Once upon a time in Friendland, there lived 4 lifelong friends. Today, we follow them on their journey to playing outside under quarantine.
Oh wait, we forgot to wash our hands.
Oh yeah, we should go back. I'm not gonna wash my hands. I don't feel like it.
Oh wait, we gotta stay 6 feet apart. Oh no, we don't have our masks. Whatever are we gonna do?
Wait, what's that?
Is it a bird?
Is it a plane?
AC-1 chicken inbound.
Oh wow, thanks for the mask.
Wow, thank you. Alright, every time you make a basket, you gotta wash your hands with hand sanitizer.
Okay. I don't want to do that. I don't feel so good.
Wait, what's that?
Hey chicken, what is that supposed to be?
Oh, it's my tester stick.
I'll see if I got corona.
Beep. You have corona.
No!
You gotta quarantine yourself.
Okay. I'm gonna sure I stay quarantined.
And the 3 friends played happily ever after. Remember kids, stay inside.